Hello Lifestyle, it's Lushawn. If you just found my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me here on Lushawn's Lifestyle. Today's video is my meal plan for the month of May. And basically I color code my my different meals and the way I'm going to cook them and what the kitchen tools I will be utilizing. So if you are interested in what I got going on for my meal plan for May, please keep watching. All right, so I am forever in search of recipes for my meals and the different ways that I prepare them via my kitchen tools. So this month I am featuring a lot of recipes from Tasty, and I know a lot of you all have seen Tasty, their quick speed, time lapse kind of meals that they do that seem super easy, fast, convenient. And so I did some searching on their website to come up with to see if there was some recipes that I could utilize my air fryer, my crock pot, just regular cooking, and then also my grill. So a few of them, I think I have about, I want to say 5 or 6 recipes that are going to be new, and I'll be utilizing the recipes from the Tasty website. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this, and yeah, and then we'll come back and talk about it once I get it all done. All right, so back here and all done. So I just kind of wanted to go over with you all what I have going on here with my plan for May. So here's my little legend down here at the bottom. So I have my leftover meals and leftovers. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 days of leftovers. So that's that, and I guess I'll use my pen so you see. So I did that in this color. Next is takeout, and those who follow me know or been looking at my meal plans know that I do not cook on Saturdays. So we do takeout, and it's even more now because we want to help those who need to deliver, or the restaurants that used to be casual dining and they can't have people in the restaurants, they can only do takeout, so we're still trying to support them. So I actually have 5 Saturdays of takeout for the month of May. Next is my next is air fryer meals, and I have 4 air fryer meals. So one meal is fish and fries, and I do sweet potato fries. So I try to substitute, so you know, it's like, you know, I try to do, you know, I do keto, but I do substitute, or sometimes every now and then I may splurge and go off the rails a little bit, but for the most part I try to stay on point. So I have 4 air fryer meals. So one was fish and fries. Then I'm doing Italian sausage pepper hoagies. Again, that's with turkey sausage. This is a tasty meal using the air fryer. It's a roast chicken with garlic potatoes and corn on the cob. So I'm gonna give that a try. And then my last air fryer meal is fish tacos, and I've done the fish in the air fryer before for my fish tacos, and it comes out amazing, really good. So those are my air fryer meals. Next, then I have just regular meals, and my regular meals are a lot of those are tasty from the Tasty website, but the first one was seafood boil, and I do those myself. I looked up on YouTube as to how to do it, so I know how to do that one. Next is a tasty meal, and this is a 1-pot stroganoff, but instead of beef, of course, I'm going to either use crumbles or turkey, ground turkey or ground chicken, one of the two, but I'll substitute the beef. So, but this looked really good and really easy. Then my next regular meal is grilled cheese sandwiches, pretty easy peasy. Then I have another tasty recipe I want to try. It's the orange chicken by Panda Express. This is supposed to be like the dupe for that, so I want to give that a try. And then I'm going to do quesadillas. Know how to do that. That's I've done those many times. My next tasty recipe that I want to try is called parchment teriyaki salmon. And basically you use parchment paper and put like all of the ingredients in that and seal it off. So I want to give that a try. And my next regular meal is just doing lasagna with garlic sticks and a salad. A regular, just a pizza night. And then my last regular meal will be on a Sunday, and it's fried chicken with potato salad, baked beans, and rolls. Traditional kind of soul food kind of Sunday. So that's my regular meals. And then next I have my Crockpot meals, and I got 3 Crockpot meals going on, and they are all tasty recipes. So the first one is root beer chicken wings, and I'm just going to serve it with some carrots and celery sticks with some ranch dressing on the side. But yeah, so that looked really yummy, so I want to try that. My next Crockpot meal is going to be a Tuscan white bean soup with rotini pasta. So that looked really good too. I think the rotini pasta kind of will stretch it out a little bit, or a lot. So I wanted to try that. And then my last crock pot meal is a honey barbecue chicken pulled. It's like pulling, it's over Texas toast. So watching them make that, it looked really, really good. So that is going to be another crock pot meal. So yeah, and then last but not least is my grill meals, and I'm doing 2 grill meals for the month. One is it will be basic burgers and hot dogs, and it will be turkey burgers, turkey hot dogs, and then a pasta salad. And my last one is a tasty recipe, and it's lemon garlic butter chicken thighs with baked potatoes, and you put it all on the grill. So so yeah, that is my my meal plan for the month of May. I hope you get some inspiration from this, and I'm not sponsored by Tasty or anything of the sort, but I just was, you know, I always try to look for new things to incorporate into the meals, so they're not so same old humdrum stuff. Yeah, so if you've lasted this long in the video, you already know you are a lifestyler. And sorry about that really loud vehicle. I think it was a Publix truck, so sorry. So yeah, so if you've lasted this long in this video, you already know you are a lifestyler. I truly do appreciate you, and I hope you consider subscribing. And until my next video, hugs and love. Bye.